Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
So in Java, we have two types of way to create a thread. So first one, I explain you here that so by first way we can extend thread class and second one implement runnable interface. So these are the two ways to do the multi-threading programming in Java. Two ways to do multi-threading programming in Java. Okay, multi-threading programming in Java by extending the thread class or by the enable interface. So which one is better? Always we have a interface is better, but you can use anything, whatever you want. So in this example, we will learn the thread class example. In next video, we will learn how we can make threading by the enable interface. So here I am creating a class like my thread, and I am extending this by using the thread class this way. So we extends this, then we have to override a method public void run. So it's very simple to write a multi-threading programming in Java. What we have to do, we have to override this method and we have to perform over all the tasks in this particular method. So I'm creating the constructor also, and in this constructor I am passing a name for the thread. So by using a super keyword, I am calling the super class constructor, thread class constructor, to passing the name of the thread. We can say thread name. So passing a thread name. So I am passing here. Now here I am displaying the name of the thread which is currently running. So for that we can say string current thread equal to thread dot current thread dot get name. So it will give the name of the current thread, and here we will display sys out the current thread name. Current thread. Okay, we can say here that thread name is so like this we can make it here. So now the thread is ready. So what we have this thread, and I can make a for loop also to show you the multiple execution of this thread. So I say I equal to 0 and I less than 5. So I will run it to 5 times I plus plus. So we are executing it like this. So this is the thread, and same line I am printing here also in main method, because main is also one thread. So this is the thread and this will execute this thread. So it will display first of all the main thread, then I am creating the object of my thread class which I created, my thread t1 equal to new my thread, and I am passing name of the thread, that is thread 1. thread 1. You see, so because I have created the constructor here, in this constructor I am passing a name of the thread and I am giving here, and by using the super keyword I am passing the value to the constructor. So now I am starting. For starting a thread I have to call the start method. Without a start method we cannot start a thread. So this is the thread 1 and already I have the main thread. So in this program I have 2 threads. So I am executing it. I am showing you example here. You see the example. So you see the first one is a main thread because this main method, this main class is also the first thread, the main thread. In Java this thread we call main thread. So this main thread is responsible to execute the remaining threads. So thread 1 is execute 5 times. Now I am creating one more thread. Just copy and paste it, and I am giving a name to thread 2, and I am also executing it and passing here thread 2 and saving and running it. You see that I will have the more. You see that here in the output, main thread, then thread 2, thread 1. Again I am executing. You see thread 1, thread 2, thread 1, thread 2, because we cannot control the execution of a thread. Remember, this execution we cannot control because maybe thread 1 execute first, maybe thread 2 execute first, maybe they execute interoperability concurrently anytime, anyway. You see, each and every time we have a different way of executing these threads because these are out of control of the program. They execute independently. Just we can start thread, but we cannot control the thread in a memory. You see, every time we have a different kind of output because any thread can execute first or any thread can execute last. That depend on the CPU, when CPU is busy or not. You see, each and every time we have a different output. So this is the thread programming in Java using a thread class. Same example we will perform by using the runnable interface in next video. See you in next video for that.